The National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research came into existence in the year 1967. Nurtured jointly by Government of India and the Royal Netherlands Government, the institute started its journey as Technical Teachers Training Institute to fulfill the country's dream to cater to the needs of quality technical education.
The main campus of the institute is situated in Sector 26 of the city beautiful Chandigarh. It also has its two residential campuses located in Sector 29 and Sector 42.
In this long voyage, NITTTR Chandigarh grew to become a center of excellence and now enjoys a distinct presence in the company of its illustrious institutes under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India.
Anybody who is somebody in the field of technical education sector of India, on being asked what is the most pressing problem for the technical education sector of the country, will come up with the answer that it is the acute shortage of faculty, both in quantity and in quality. That is the major bane of our technical education sector. We at National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research at Chandigarh are wide awake to this problem. In fact, we have been doing all that we can in gearing up the technical education scenario of the country in this part, that is in the northern region, which comprises 9 states of the region. We conduct ME programs, both regular and modular, and undertake PhD level research work under the esteemed faculty of the institute. Besides that, we conduct umpteen number of short-term courses which are in tune with the requirement of the faculty of polytechnics and engineering colleges of this region, and also are in consonance with the technical developments that have been taking place in our country as well as in the world at large. Thus, besides being the fact that ours is a small institute comprising of 200 odd employees and about 40 faculty members, we are sparing no efforts in contributing our might towards the development of the technical education sector of the country. And we know that the task is huge and the responsibility is immense for us to carry that out in the near future. But we are gearing ourselves up to meet up the challenges. And we are really thankful to Government of India in the Ministry of Human Resources Development, which has pumped in a lot of money in developing the infrastructural facilities of this institute, and also has been assisting us in every possible way in all the schemes that are run in our institute for our growth and development. Thus, we are sure that in the days to come, this institute, which caters to the requirement of training and education of the technical teachers of the northern region of the country, will move up to the highest tier and will really live up to the expectations of the country in general.
This banyan tree of technical education system of the country, NITTTR Chandigarh has expanded its stem in 5 major core activities, namely education and training, curriculum design and development, instructional material development, research and development, consultancy and extension services.
The 14 departments are the energy nodes of the institute that bristle with human expertise and with state-of-the-art infrastructure. The institute can boast of some of the finest technical facilities established in the various departments to impart quality technical education.
The Mechanical Engineering Department started functioning since the inception of the institute. It conducts training in thrust areas of manufacturing technology, computer-aided design, automation, robotics, metrology, refrigeration and air conditioning. The department can boast of having specialized equipment to impart training with professional excellence to the learners.
The machine tool laboratory houses industrial machines like electro-discharge machine for machining of hard materials which are difficult to machine by conventional methods. TIG and MIG welding set for providing rich quality welded joints between metals and alloys. Ultrasonic drilling machine to drill, engrave and cut brittle materials like ceramic and glass.
Metrology laboratory offers measurement facilities using profile projector and portable hardness tester.
Material testing laboratory is equipped with dry sliding wear testing rig, spectrophotometer, metallurgical microscope with computer and software, etc.
The CAD/CAM and robotics laboratory has CAD/CAM software like CATIA, Inventor, Pro-E, ERP, etc. CNC lathe trainers, robotic arm, etc.
The mechatronics laboratory provides learning by use of sophisticated LSM PLC mechatronics kit, microcontroller-based mechatronics kit, and modeling and simulation software.
The refrigeration and air conditioning
Mechatronics kit and modeling and simulation software.
The refrigeration and air laboratory gives exposure to experimental refrigeration plant, working models of refrigeration, air conditioning and air coolers for simplifying instruction.
One of the major departments, the electrical engineering department, conducts need-based short-term training programs as well as tailor-made training programs for the working professionals in various thrust areas, making use of the finest training equipments set up in its various labs.
A part of electrical machine laboratory is specifically developed for contractor control of electric drives, wherein training boards have been developed for performing various exercises in the area.
Instrumentation and Control Laboratory has a set of training boards on transducers, process control, PLC-based control system, different motor control, and PC-based data acquisition system.
In the Power Electronics Laboratory, various training boards provide the hands-on experience. The lab is equipped with trainers on solid-state motor control, three-phase triggering system, microprocessor-based control system, and stepper motor control.
Equipped with one of the finest testing and training equipment in the region, the Civil Engineering Department offers training programs based on laboratory practice in various areas like soil engineering, highway engineering, concrete technology, non-destructive testing techniques, hydraulics, public health and environment engineering, etc.
The Soil Engineering Laboratory has facilities to evaluate engineering properties of soil. This includes shear strength and relative density.
In Highway Engineering Laboratory, experiments on pressure aging vessel are done to study bituminous material for their aging properties. Modified Marshall stability test and bituminous content determination using centrifuge extractor are feasible.
The Concrete Technology Laboratory facilitates experiments on automatic compression testing for compressive strength determination and self-compacting concrete in addition to other equipment.
In hydraulics lab, sophisticated equipment for testing flow measurement of water using hydraulic bench, Pelton wheel, orifice flow equipment are available to study various hydraulic characteristics of water.
Computer Application Laboratory facilitates the training in the use of various software related to specialized areas in civil engineering.
Evaluation of various structural members without causing any damage is possible with the use of NDT equipment. Ultrasonic pulse velocity meter, corrosion meter, and carbonation kit are significant.
In the Public Health Engineering and Environmental Laboratory, engineered monitoring of environment is possible with pollution measurement of air, water, and noise. This helps to establish the problem and thereby address it to safeguard our environment.
The Computer Center came into existence in 1982 and has progressed in a steadfast manner to become a leader in computer education by offering courses at various levels. It is one of the finest laboratories furnished with fully networked computer systems used in training and research by the students and trainees.
The Software Laboratory facilitates the conduct of training in Linux, Java, networking, and web-based development.
4 high-end servers provide internet management, emailing, storing and retrieving high-end softwares, and web hosting facilities, which are so very significant.
Students and trainees can use thin clients for browsing internet even beyond office hours and can work with high-end softwares located in Windows Server.
The Electronics and Communication Engineering Department has latest laboratories like digital signal processing and soft computing, computer networking, communication engineering, CAD, VLSI, PLC, and SCADA.
The DSP and SC laboratory provides opportunity to use different kits and softwares for carrying out extensive laboratory practices and research in the areas of advanced digital signal processing, artificial neural networks, soft computing, and image processing, etc.
Experiments on various aspects of computer networking are conducted in the networking laboratory using hubs, switches, routers, access points, etc. in Windows 2003 server.
Gadgets like ISDN exchange, optical fiber kits, Bluetooth board, GSM board are an integral part of the facilities set up in Communication Laboratory.
The CAD VLSI laboratory facilitates extensive practical and research in the area of VLSI embedded system design.
The PLC and SCADA laboratory is equipped with the PLCs and programming softwares to carry out practicals and research work.
The library strives to support the Institute's march towards excellence by connecting the students and faculty to the world of knowledge. It has an excellent collection of books, journals, reference books in the areas of science, engineering, technology, humanities, social sciences, and management.
In addition to the print media, the library has subscribed to e-resources which can be accessed online at the facilities in e-library.
The resources are extensively used by faculty, students, and research scholars. The library is fully computerized and the catalog can be accessed on the internet.
The Department of Applied Science, one of the oldest departments, offers training in areas like applied physics, applied chemistry, applied mathematics, biotechnology, and intellectual property rights.
The Applied Physics Laboratory is equipped with various curricula-based experimental setups for polytechnics and engineering colleges and has many modern physics experiments such as photocell and solar cell characteristics, Hall's effect, and measurement of velocity of ultrasonics in liquids and solids using ultrasonic interferometer.
Nuclear Radiation Laboratory facilitates experiments for detection and measurement of nuclear radiation using GM counter apparatus, scintillation counter apparatus, and identification of spectral peaks from different radioactive standards using PC-based data analysis system.
The Lasers and Fiber Optics Laboratory provides opportunities to learn the properties of different types of lasers and optical fibers using high-precision equipment.
Various experiments can be conducted in the Biotechnology Laboratory using sophisticated apparatus installed here.
The Department of Education and Educational Management offers training programs in the areas of educational technology and educational management so as to improve the quality of instruction and management of technical institutions. Courses are conducted for the technical teachers and working professionals so that they acquire requisite knowledge and skills to plan, organize, deliver, and evaluate instructions, manage institutions and departments efficiently and effectively.
The department undertakes research projects related to design and development of technical education system in various states, grant of autonomy to institutions, tracer studies, impact studies, teaching learning system, etc. The department offers need-based extension services for various technical institutions, directorates and AICTE.
The department has significantly contributed to bringing improvement in the technical education system through training of newly recruited teachers, training the technical teachers in the areas of educational technology and management.
Media and Continuing Education Center at this institution has been instrumental in providing mainly print and to some extent non-print instructional material to the polytechnics and engineering college system in the country. It has helped the teachers to use the latest media for the purpose of instruction.
The department has helped in establishing of learning resource development and utilization centers at various technical institutions, which has greatly improved the quality of instruction in the engineering system.
The Continuing Education Center is a pioneer in conducting training for industry personnel at various levels and has played a crucial role in keeping them updated in knowledge, skills and attitudes.
The Department of Entrepreneurship Development and Industrial Coordination saw the daylight in the year 1983. Since then, the department is playing a pivotal role in promoting entrepreneurship in the technical education system and strengthening linkages between institute and industry.
Training programs on various facets of entrepreneurship development are carried out. The department gives special attention to training women entrepreneurs and establishing small and medium enterprises and managing them.
The expertise and scholastic ability of the faculty members of this department are well reflected through large number of books, modules and research papers published by this department.
Technology blended learning, reaching the unreached and virtual knowledge grid are the prime focused objectives of Educational Television Center. Keeping pace with the technological development, This ETV Center is a torchbearer for the technical institutes to integrate technology in teaching-learning process.
Development of quality non-print instructional materials and their dissemination via national networks such as Gyan Darshan Channel, AICTE, EduSat Satellite Interactive Channel and Digital Storage Media are the exemplary work of this ETV Center in ICT-based teaching learning.
State-of-art facilities such as 2 studios of 2,600 square feet and 600 square feet and editing tables with Final Cut Pro in Apple G5 machines and Velocity Quattros in Window platform facilitate the experienced experts of ETV Center to march ahead in achieving their objectives.
The multimedia, animation, and graphics labs add to the creativity and improve the quality of instructions by inserting animations and graphics. PhD and ME thesis works in the frontier areas of noise removal, motion vector estimation, quality enhancement of videos, and antennas for wireless and medical applications have placed the center on the international knowledge map.
The engineering and technical skills of the ETV Center are well reflected through the activities of the periodic maintenance of the sophisticated equipments and hardware training work undertaken by the center.
The Department of Rural Development at NITTTR Chandigarh acts as a resource center for effective implementation of Scheme of Community Development through Polytechnics and Scheme for Integrating Persons with Disabilities in the mainstream of technical and vocational education.
In order to implement the Community Development Scheme, the department organizes training programs for the project staff, facilitates application of appropriate technologies, and disseminates information relevant to the society at large.
The department has appropriate infrastructure and expertise for guiding research in the area of rural development, watershed management, sustainable development, organic farming, sanitation, and renewable energy.
As regards the scheme for integrating persons with disabilities in the mainstream of technical and vocational education, the department has been working towards the ultimate empowerment of the disabled through rehabilitation, education, and technical and vocational training of the disabled.
The Curriculum Development Center was established to take care of the curricular needs of the polytechnic system. The department has revised and designed curricula for almost all the states in the northern region. A time-tested model is evolved for designing the curriculum, involving experts from the industries, academicians, and experts from polytechnics and other technical institutes.
The department also helps the state boards of technical education in the effective implementation of the curricula by training teachers from the states in this area. Assistance in evaluating the existing curricula is provided to the states so that the revision is undertaken if needed.
The department has evolved curricula in thrust areas in both engineering and non-engineering areas by organizing brainstorming sessions so that new ideas are incorporated in the curriculum design. For the benefit of masses, the Instructional Resources Marketing Unit of this institute is actively involved in the dissemination of the resource information. Instructional materials, both print and non-print, like textbooks, workbooks, charts and video films in CD, DVD format are available at nominal rates for the benefit of faculty from polytechnics, engineering colleges, and personnel from industry.
With the support of these departments, The institute launched an innovative modular and regular ME/MTech programs in 6 engineering areas for many aspiring professionals to enhance their qualification. Using the academic strength of these departments, the institute has developed into an institute of higher learning by offering PhD programs under various modes including QIP scheme.
As a management faculty, I attended a lot of training programs in these institutes and workshops. The conduct of the training program workshops is one of the best arrangement by this institute. The faculty which is going for a training and workshop, they are provided with the latest techniques and the knowledge and the competency in the respective areas of the management and entrepreneurship, and try to provide the best materials in the shape of the booklets and the CDs to the learners, so they should enhance their competency and skill for the respective institute.
NITTTR is not just an institute but a gurukul that not only produces teachers but ethical visionaries. I did my ME in EC department at NITTTR and have realized that the labs are not just equipped with modern equipments but with all facilities that could help you realize your dreams and make your ideas come into products.
I joined this institute in the year 1996 when I started my ME in manufacturing technology in a better way. The faculty is very learned, highly qualified, and even the facility of this institute is too good.
Feel at home is the belief. The hostel facility at this institute with human care creates a home away from home for our students and trainees. Atithi Devo Bhava. The guest accommodation is a living example of this belief.
Good health and happy mind are the perfect thrills for development and rapid growth. The cultural activities and sport meet that are regularly conducted in the institute's endeavor to make everybody healthy and happy. Service to society and service to mankind are coexisting with the regular activities of the institute.
Teaming together and progress through partnership are the mantras of this institute. In the growing knowledge-based society, NITTTR Chandigarh, already an institute of national repute, is committed to develop leadership in technical teachers training and provide educational products and services to enable the technical education system to achieve excellence internationally.